for the next 50 years, this brand is going to be a lot more powerful than what it is today. No man-made brand can ever compete with the natural brands. Now, what I mean, Dubai is filled with branded residences, which is great. Hospitality brands, automobile brands, watch manufacturers have also turned into brands in real estate. None of these brands vividly increase the quality of your life. The experience of staying close to the water or the forest, that by itself is luxury. Mother Nature has been a brand for the past 50 years, is a brand today, and it's going to be a brand even for the next 50 years.